program actually exceeded my expectations. I was thinking it was mostly going to be sort of like the high school program where it was mostly theory, but actually it was a lot more hands-on. In this program, you get to go down the plant, work with people, actually follow people that work in maintenance, and actually learn from them what they do day to day. And then you come up here and you learn things in theory, but then you can also go, when you go down there, you can test that theory by asking questions or actually doing it yourself. I hope to be hired on as a maintenance person here, and then hopefully through working here for a while, I want to go back to school and try to get an engineering degree.